Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on the Supra. We're going to be swapping out these tails with new ones. These do come stock with this car because she is a 97 limited edition Supra, so these Series 2 tails are stock, but the only reason why I'm removing them is because I don't know if you guys can see. These are scratched up a bit and require some refinishing. So I have a buddy of mine that's coming by today to claim these. He's going to put them on his 93, I think, but it's a Series 1 Supra. So should make his car look somewhat newer and not dated, because the older ones, I think they're recessed. But anyway, you guys can Google search on what they look like. But in my opinion, I think these look much better. You're going to have to forgive me about the condition of this car. It's been sitting here for quite a while and it's pretty grimy. So anyway, so let's start. So I forgot to tell you, you need a 10mm for these two. And if you really wanted to be careful about this, you could put like painter's tape on the bottom. But I think that the rubber casing underneath this should be good enough to protect your paint, but just to make sure. All you got to do at this point is just twist these guys off. So now that that's done, just to kind of go over again what you guys need to do to swap out the harness. For those of you that are going from S1 to S2 series taillights, you need to unclip this. There's 3 here, and essentially just get this panel out. I'm not going to do it here because I don't want to risk the chance of actually breaking those clips. So essentially what you do is you're going to just, this is the harness that you're going to be removing, and you're going to be pulling this grommet out, and there's a clip behind here that you unclip. Take the new harness and just replace it. Essentially clip it and ride it through here first, so that you can clip it from the back, and then you got yourself a new harness that'll fit for the Series 2 taillights. So it looks like I'm missing this piece right here on this side. So I don't know if you guys that have done this before, let me know if it's something that I need to do. It looks like some sort of gasket and guide for the tab. So anyway, I guess the next thing I need to do here, looks like I'm missing this as well. So anyway, looks like the next thing I need to do is just clean this all up. Make sure that it's nice and clean behind there. Just trying to get a good angle so that you can see the scratches, but it really only comes up when the sun is hitting it and it's grabbing it at an angle where it's accentuating the scratches. Also, if you guys have any recommendations if I can replace this with LEDs, let me know. So I'm not going to bother showing you guys what it looks like with the new lights because it's It's the same lights, just newer. Not gonna make a big difference. It's not like I went from S1 to S2 anyway. So anyway, yeah, on to the new lights. So I got the passenger side cleaned up also. Also went ahead and kind of polished this a bit, make it look clean. Got rid of some of the grime that's on the connectors and some of the wiring. Figure that, you know, get rid of some of that dirt and grime. Could help with the horsepower, maybe gain like 5 rear wheel horsepower, you think? Maybe? Less weight. So hopefully you guys find this video useful. It's my first stab, so bear with me as I learn this whole YouTube video making thing. Hoping to produce more videos on pretty much what I do with these cars. I'm looking to use this as a means for me to be able to record and kind of keep track of what I do to these cars. Maybe it might be good for my son down the road as he, as he looks at these videos. So anyway, my next, hopefully, I can get working on the R33. I do have one thing I need to do, and I'll record that. Essentially, I'm replacing the rear hatch struts with new ones because this is shot. The install is really not that straightforward, so I figured I can help someone by creating a video for it. I'm not going to be putting out much. It's not going to be regular. I do have a full-time job, and I am a full-time single father of 3, so I'll put out whatever I can put out, and hopefully you guys can take advantage of it. I am going to be working on the STI. It's going to be a full build, and hopefully I can record that as well. And yeah, thanks for checking in. See ya.